Hello, everyone. Welcome today on Tuesday, um, February the 2nd, February the 2nd, 2021. We have here only one regular Sudoku. Yes, February the 2nd, Tuesday, the 7th week, going the 7th week already, the 7th week for lockdown. 7 week, wow, a lot. Anyway, in this newspaper there's also an extra additional with extra sudokus, I believe there are 8 extra sudokus. But first, we will solve this baby. Medium Sudoku number 2260. Yes, before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 27 printed digits. I've already counted. And if you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars, this is a 4 star. No, 1 star. 1 star has 27, 2 stars 26 printed digits, 3 stars 25, and 4 stars 24. Alright, so let's get started. This column, we have 5 missing numbers. 5 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 7. We see a 7 in this big square. So no 7s in this middle column. No 7s in this big square. So the 7 could be here or could be there in the middle column. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. Alright. Then let me see. 8 and a 2. 2 in this column. 2 in the first column. So the column between the second column. The only place for a 2 should be there. 4 missing numbers now. In the second column, one of the missing numbers is an 8. We see an 8 in this big square. So no 8 in these 3 boxes in the second column. So 1 box left for the 8. Should be there. 1, 2, 3 is missing, 4 is missing, and a 5 is missing. Alright. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, no 4 in those. We already have 4. The 7 in this column. 7 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place for the 7 should be there. 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing, and the 8 is missing. We see here an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. The only place for the 8 should be there. 2 boxes left, the 1 and the 6. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in the last row, so in the row between. The only 3 places for the 1 should be here, or there. We see here 1, no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 3 places for the 1 should be here, or there. We see here 1, no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 1. Alright. Then. How about the 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so in the row below. The only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. Then 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and a 3. We have a 2 and a 3 in this column, so no 2 and a 3 in those 2 boxes. The 2 and a 3 goes in these 2 boxes. Let me mark those 2 boxes. That means the other pair in this big square should be the numbers 8 and 5. 8 and 5, let me mark those 2 boxes. I cannot fill this yet. How about these 2 numbers in this column? We have here 8 and a 5, so those 2 numbers should be the 9 and the 4. 9 and a 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 9 goes there. These 2 numbers, 2, 3, we have actually there are 3 numbers. Let me wait for a second. How about 2. In this big square we have 7 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 2. We see here 2, no 2 in these 3 boxes. Here 2, no 2 in those 3 boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there. So we have a 2 in this column, 2 in one of those 2 boxes in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. Let me wait. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here a 5, so no 5 in these 3 boxes. There are 5, no 5 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 5. Should be there. One of these 3 boxes must be a 5. So remember this column, we have a 5 in one of those 3 boxes. Alright, so we have a 5 in this first row, 5 in the second row, so on the third row. Only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. I know we have a 5 in one of those 3 boxes, so the 5 cannot be in this box. 1 box left for the 5, should be there. Then 1, 2, 3. 9, 3 and 7. 3 missing numbers in the last column. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7 in this big square, so no 7 in this box. Here also a 7, so no 7 in that box. So 1 box left for the 7 should be there. So now 9, 3. Okay. Nine, 3, 5, 9, 3, 5. Ay. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 3. All right. Let me think. 9, 9. Okay. 5, 7, 9. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those 3 missing numbers are the 5 is missing, the 7 is missing, and the 9 is missing. We see here the 5 and the 9, so no 5 and the 9 in this box. The 5 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes. So 1 digit left should be the 7. 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in the third row, 7 in the second row. So on the first row, only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. You see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. And all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 7. 5, 3, 6, 5, 3, 6. 3, 6. Okay. 3, 6. 3 missing numbers in the first column. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4 in this big square, so no 4 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 4 should be here. And then 2 boxes left in the first column for the numbers 6 and 3. 6 and 3, let me mark those 2 boxes. Cannot fill this yet. How about the other pair in this big square for the numbers 9 and 8? We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here and an 8 goes there. Alright. 2 and 3. Alright. 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number is a 6. We see here 6, no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. The only place for the 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 6 should be there. Now we have a 6 there, so this cannot be a 6 anymore. This should be the 6. And this should be a 3. 6 in this row, 6 in the second row. So on the third row, the only place for the 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the second column. So on the third column, the only place for the 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 6. 3, 9, 3. 2 boxes left in the last column. 2 numbers are missing. Those numbers are the 3 and the 9. 3 and the 9 are missing. We see here 3. No 3 there. 3 should be here and the 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 3. We have an 8 there. No 8 there. 8 should be here and the 3 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 8. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 3. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 numbers. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 5. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here and a 5 goes there. 1 number left in the last row for the number 3. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here and a 5 goes there. Okay. And now, 9 in this row. 9 in that row. So in the row between, the middle row, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 2 numbers left in this column. 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, and the 8 is missing. 3 and 8. 3 and 8. We see an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be here and the 3 goes there. Now we have a 3 there, so this can be 3 anymore. This should be the 3. And this should be a 2. Now we have 8 there, so this can't be 8 anymore. This should be the 8. And this should be a 5. Alright, 2 numbers left in this row. 1, 2, the 3 and the 4 are missing. 3 and a 4. 3 and a 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 4 goes there. 2 and a 3 we have here. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 5. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square. The numbers are 5 and 4, 5 and 4. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. All right. Great Sudoku Medium. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to, subscribe and hit that bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you later with the extra Sudokus in the additional. Bye bye for now.